What's up guys, Lucas here, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick comparison review between ExpressVPN and HMA VPN. So if you've been wondering which is the better VPN service, well, you have come to the right place, my friend. Now, ExpressVPN is certainly a top VPN on the market, but HideMyAss is one of the most well-known VPNs. So are these two VPNs really all that different? Okay, when it comes to encryption and protocols, there are some similarities. For example, ExpressVPN and HideMyAss both use 256-bit encryption and offer all the essential protocols like OpenVPN, PPTP, L2TP/IAP SEC, P2P, and torrenting are supported as well, and both VPNs provide a kill switch. Still, each choice does have some advantages over the other, but there can only be one winner. So let's check them out. Now, of course, the first thing that I did look into is the speeds of each VPN. As expected, ExpressVPN is still the fastest VPN on the market, so while HideMyAss performs better than most in this regard, it can't compare to ExpressVPN's speed. And because both VPNs provide good speeds, both are great for streaming and large downloads. Still, if you would like to learn more about Express after this short video, I'll put a link to my full review in the video description below, along with a coupon code. Now, it's likely that the difference in their speed has something to do with the size of their server networks. Okay, so HideMyAss is in the top tier when it comes to servers, offering 900 locations spread throughout 190 countries. However, that does not compare to ExpressVPN's 3,000 servers across 94 countries. And such a high number of servers ensures that you'll have no issues with server clogging and latency. Now, as for the quality of customer support, ExpressVPN and HideMyAss are both excellent when it comes to customer support. Actually, both of these VPNs offer live chat, email ticketing, large knowledge bases on their websites, and plenty of tutorials and community support as well. So if you have a problem when using either of these, it would be resolved pretty quickly. And then in terms of user experience, I did find that downloading and installing ExpressVPN was pretty fast and easy. After opening the app, I was able to stream my favorite shows on Netflix and Hulu without any trouble or any buffering, thanks to the superior speeds of ExpressVPN. Also, I tested my IP address in numerous countries without a problem and found the interface easy enough for a beginner to use. Now, if you are thinking about getting around China's firewall, I would definitely suggest downloading ExpressVPN prior to your arrival. It can be installed on Android devices, laptops, iPhones, tablets, etc. And with your connection, you can still visit your favorite sites and protect your information from prying eyes. Another thing to take note of is that ExpressVPN can unblock content on almost any streaming platform, which is another reason why it's so popular. However, I have to give credit where it's due because HideMyAss delivers an enjoyable user experience from start to finish, all in a playful, casual manner, and this is true for all the platforms it's available on. With HMA, there are no complications to speak of when it comes to installation and setup. The GUI is intuitive with all its settings and preferences exactly where you'd expect them to be. And HideMyAss has three main modes upon opening the app, which includes an auto connect, a list of servers worldwide, and a feature that automatically connects you to the nearest server in a country without restrictions, something you don't always see. Also, HideMyAss can unblock content on Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, YouTube, and more. It also bypasses China's firewall, so it has no shortcomings there. And then in terms of pricing, HMA is a bit cheaper with a starting price around $5 a month in comparison to Express landing around $7 a month. Now, fortunately, both VPNs can support up to 5 simultaneous connections and offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So the question remains, which VPN should you choose? Okay, so HideMyAss and ExpressVPN are two of the best VPNs available, and both have their unique strengths. And while they may be similar in protocols, encryption, and support, ExpressVPN gets the edge here because of its superior speed that creates an incredible user experience on all ends, boosting its versatility and capabilities in the process. So in effect, Express is the total package in my opinion. So hopefully this video was helpful. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up, as that always makes my day. And just a reminder, if you are interested in giving ExpressVPN a try, please be sure to check out the special discount links that I will put in the description area below, so that way you can save some extra money. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome to our cyber family, guys. All right, be safe out there, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.